Since 2008, SOLV Energy has built over 500 power plants. We deliver integrated lifecycle services including engineering, procurement, construction, commissioning, monitoring, and maintenance. Our massive projects now reach the scale of Manhattan. Today, America faces urgent energy demands. Manufacturing is increasing, AI development is accelerating, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. And lastly, the rapid rise of data centers is reshaping America's grid, all while older fossil fuel plants are being retired. Why work with us? SOLV Energy is a market leader in the largest and fastest growing categories of power generation. Our specialized team manages over 140 power plants under long-term operations and maintenance agreements. Our lifecycle approach means one partner, from project design through decades of operation, creating long-term value that multiplies the original investment. We use real-world operating insights and innovative technology to refine methods, improve equipment selection, and identify future revenue opportunities. We are one of the only true lifecycle providers in renewable energy. Why renewable energy? The main advantage is speed. While traditional plants take years and nuclear takes a decade, we can deliver solar power in just 18 months. Solar and storage are the fastest growing sources of power in expanding American communities. There is increasing demand for clean and reliable energy, and SOLV Energy is a steady hand helping to guide America's energy transformation. We evolve and adapt with our sites throughout their lifetime of service, powering communities for generations to come. SOLV Energy, powering change that lasts.